Let's talk about what just happened in the world of tech. If you were online on June 12, 2025, you probably felt it. Google Cloud, one of the pillars holding up the internet, went down. And when I say down, I mean a whole lot of your favorite services suddenly weren't working. So, what went wrong? At around 10:51 in the morning Pacific time, Google's status page started lighting up. 13 different Google Cloud services were hit across the US, Europe, and Asia. That's not just a blip, that's a global meltdown for cloud computing. Now if you're thinking, does this really affect me? Well yes, some massive names rely on Google Cloud. Shopify, for example, had issues that rippled out to loads of online stores. OpenAI, the brains behind ChatGPT, ran into login problems. Even Twitch, MailChimp, GitLab, LangChain, and more all reported disruptions. Imagine thousands of people, maybe even you, scrambling to figure out if it's their Wi-Fi or something bigger. Spoiler alert, it was something bigger. Down Detector recorded over 13,000 reports about problems with Google Cloud. People were definitely paying attention. But it wasn't just about websites not loading. Cloudflare, which helps protect and speed up loads of sites, also experienced some issues because of their links to Google Cloud. Their core services stayed up, but their stock still took a 5% hit on the day. And while all this was happening, Google's competitors watched closely. Amazon Web Services, the cloud giant, was quick to say their systems were business as usual. No issues at AWS, even though a few users reported trouble. Microsoft Azure managed to avoid the chaos too. Meanwhile, the internet was buzzing. Google Trends showed a spike in searches for Firebase. That's one of Google's big developer platforms. Clearly, both pros and casual users were hunting for answers, fast. By Thursday evening, Thomas Kurian, Google Cloud's CEO, jumped on X to say everything was finally back online. He apologized for the mess, but let's be honest, the damage was done. This outage is a real setback for Google Cloud, especially as it tries to catch up with Amazon and Microsoft in the cloud space. If you ever doubted how much of our daily lives depend on these invisible systems, today was your wake-up call. So, what can we learn here? Even the biggest tech giants can slip. The more connected we get, the more we're all passengers on the same cloud. Fingers crossed the next time you hit refresh, the internet's actually there to answer. If you want to stay up to date with everything happening in tech, make sure to hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you were caught up in this outage.